She's bringing the trailer park lifestyle to the world. Come inside, don't be shy.
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jolene, the Trailer Park Cooking Show, where I teach you how to live on a budget and do it the Trailer Park way. Well, we just did a soup recipe not long ago. I showed you how to take the flavors of pizza and put it in a soup. Well, today, I got a lot of letters saying, Jolene, can you do some more soup recipes? Well, yes, I can. Today, we're going to make a great Asian-inspired soup, and it uses frozen vegetables and some soy sauce and some canned soup, and it cooks up in a jiffy for your family on a quick, easy dinner night. I'm going to show you how to make my Asian-inspired soup up next on the Trailer Park Cooking Show. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my Asian chicken soup is really simple. Now, this is Asian inspired. This is really using ingredients that you can find at pretty much any grocery store. I've got kind of like a soup pan right here, and I found some stir-fry mix. It's the broccoli kind, and it's got some Asian style vegetables in there, and you really need it thawed. So what I'm going to do is just put it here in the bowl and stir it around on some heat just to thaw it up a little bit. So let me do that and check back with you in just a moment. Okay, now that our vegetables are mostly thawed, I'm going to add 2 cans of condensed chicken and rice soup right on in there with 2.5 cups of water, and that goes right on in there, and we're going to bring this up to a boil. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, now that we have that boiling, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of ground ginger right on in there. And today I'm using a tamari soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce or the packets that you get from the takeout, but we're going to use about a tablespoon of that right on in there. Now, this adds some salt, but you might have to add some more to your taste. And I've got 2 cups of cooked chicken right here. You could use a rotisserie chicken, or you could cook some chicken breast up. And I'm just going to mix this around here until it's well mixed, and I'll probably turn the heat down, and I'm going to put a lid on it, and we're going to cook it for about 4 minutes or so until everything's cooked throughout and we've got all the flavors mingling all together. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. And there you have it, my Asian chicken soup. Now, this is a Chinese-inspired dish that we use the Asian vegetables from the frozen food section and a little dash of soy sauce and some ginger, and it was super easy to throw together with some cooked chicken that you could either use a rotisserie chicken or some cooked chicken from the deli section, or maybe some frozen chicken that you cook. But this is just a super simple soup to throw together, and I'm just tired of talking about it, and I'm just going to get a taste of it here. Wow, taste that flavor, and the ginger really picks it up, and the Asian vegetables in there, the red peppers and the broccoli and the snap peas, and has a great crunch. And the chicken soup with the can, that was so simple to throw in there, and you can certainly add any spices that you'd like. What would you add? Leave a comment down at the bottom. And the water chestnuts too, that was surprising. This is a great soup to fix for your family, and I hope you get a chance to make it. And if you do, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe, because I've got some more recipes right around the corner here on the Trailer Park Cooking Show. And you can find my merch on Amazon by searching Jolene Sugarbaker. And I can't wait to share some more recipes with you, and I've got to get back to work here in the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. I love y'all. Enjoy my soup, and I'll be back real soon. Follow me everywhere on Facebook and on my website, jolenestrailerpark.com, and I'll be back real soon. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado.